Hey everybody, Ian here with Downeast Toyota. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a look at the Toyota Corolla Hatchback. The Corolla Hatchback takes all the great features of the Corolla sedan and puts them into a sporty and attractive hatchback design. The exterior features of the Corolla Hatchback include LED headlights, taillights, and running lights, heated power outside mirrors, 16-inch alloy wheels, variable intermittent wipers, dual exhaust tips, an integrated rear spoiler, and optional removable roof crossbars. The Corolla Hatchback is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine capable of 168 horsepower. This can be paired with a 10-speed dynamic shift CVT transmission, or has the option of a 6-speed manual transmission. The attractive and sporty hatchback design isn't just for show. The Corolla Hatchback gives you enhanced cargo space when compared with the Corolla sedan. The interior features of the Corolla Hatchback SE include sport fabric seats, automatic climate control, an integrated backup camera, electronic parking brake, multiple USB charging ports, and a 4.2-inch multi-information display. All Corolla hatchbacks come standard with Toyota's Smart Key system and a push-button start. In the center of the dash is an 8-inch touchscreen display with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa capabilities. You'll also receive free trials of SiriusXM Radio, Toyota Safety Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. The Corolla Hatchback comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which is Toyota's full suite of safety features. So, if you're interested in a Corolla Hatchback or have any questions regarding the options and features available, just let us know. Our sales staff is available to help. You can contact us by phone, text, or email, and we would be happy to answer any and all questions you may have and set up a test drive so you can experience what the Corolla Hatchback has to offer. Also, be sure to check out our website for our current inventory selection, as well as current specials and incentives. This is Ian with Downeast Toyota, and thanks for watching.